Hello and welcome to Divina's Recipes for Life. In this episode, I'm going to be showing you a very interesting vegan breakfast. These are vegan protein waffles. Normally people will be making things like overnight oats, things like chia pudding, things like avocado toast, and I decided I'm not going to do any of that. I'm going to show you something really interesting. I'm going to show you how to turn overnight oats into this. And stay tuned. So vegans and health conscious people are definitely on the rise, and therefore more people are gravitating towards offering more plant-based choices. This main concern, however, has been always protein, and this breakfast here is estimated to have around 9 to 10 grams of protein. The thing is, you just have to check with the nutritionist on that first. This one is just an estimate. Something else real special. So let's get straight into it. So the first thing we're going to do is prepare our protein powder. Vegan protein powder is available in supermarkets, in stores, and online. If for some reason you still can't find it or it's too expensive, then you can make your own like this. I decided to show you right here how you can do it. First thing we're going to do is make our protein powder. I'm going to take around 80 grams of sunflower or pumpkin seeds in a blender. Next, you're going to blend this into a fine powder. Then you're going to heat your pan on low and add about 15 to 20 grams of flax seeds. I use golden flax seeds, but any flax seeds will do. You're going to add your flax seeds into a blender and then blend that as well, and then add the same thing into your earlier protein mix. Next, you're going to do the same with your chia seeds, 27 grams of chia seeds. And then 53 grams of almonds. You're going to blend that to a fine powder too. If you want, you can roast it. But I didn't. Don't forget to add vanilla powder. I took around 1 teaspoon. So I'm going to mix everything, and now your protein powder is ready. You can use it in desserts. You can use it in shakes. I'm going to use it in these waffles today. Now I'm going to blend around 120 grams of rolled or quick oats. So basically that's going to also become a flour. Now 35 grams of that protein powder I made earlier. Add that in. Add in about a teaspoon of baking powder. Now go in with 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. In India we call that dalchini. A lot of my viewers are Indian. Next you're going to add 1 overripe banana. If your bananas are not overripe, you may place it in an oven of 150 degrees or 300 degrees Fahrenheit, gas mark 2, for 15 minutes or so until the skin turns black, and then you're ready to use it. You're going to make a nice puree out of it, and then add a little plant-based milk and mix that well. And add these bananas to your dry ingredients. Give that a good mix, and then you're going to go in with 100 ml plant milk of your choice. I went with oat milk. So we're going to mix everything in until we get a nice thick batter. And then after you're done with that, you can add in a little bit of oil and then mix that well. And then before you start preparing, you have to heat your waffle iron and grease it with either oil or vegan butter. You're going to ladle the batter into the iron and spread it little bit, and then close the iron. And I just have to tell you something before you try this recipe. Now this one should take you around 5 to 7 minutes or more, depending on your waffle iron type. The main thing is to wait until there's just no more steam. Please be patient and do not open the iron too quickly. When it comes to the removal of the waffles, please be warned that it will be a bit sticky. It might get stuck to it. So you have to be very patient. You have to remove it with a wooden stick or a non-metal knife, and if it accidentally breaks, you can always stick your waffle together. Because it's gluten-free, there will be some breaks and cracks here and there. So your waffle should look something like this. You can top it with whatever you like. I decided to go with maple syrup and bananas. You can use anything else you like, chocolate, other fruit, nuts, whatever. Your vegan waffles are now ready. Please enjoy it. Try out this recipe and let me know how it is.